Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what in the heck is going on in the markets today. Pre-market, it's currently 4:36 a.m. Central Standard Time, so we're trying to get this out to you fairly early. VIXCentral.com, we're here checking out the VIX. We had a big spike in the VIX from last night to now, roughly about 6 points. We're at about 19 and some change, and currently up to 25.38. We're going to go a little bit higher, in my opinion, before starting to settle down. So just kind of keep an eye on that. We're going to look at the fear and greed index. Currently still in fear, 34, could go a little bit lower before making our way and pushing that lever back closer to maybe like that 50 mark. So why? What is going on? So a couple of different things could be spooking the markets. First of all, China had one of their largest real estate developers, I believe, go bankrupt, and that's pushing their markets down far beyond just that stock. So I'm going to link this article in the description below if you want to take a look at it and kind of read through what's going on over there. And that could be carrying over into the markets as well, thinking, well, is that some type of realistic expectation to what's to come over here with some of our companies and things of that nature. Also, you know, Jerome Powell's coming and speaking this week, which always causes some volatility in the markets. Talks about tapering and inflation and all that fun stuff. So anyway, guys, I'm going to link this in the description below. Take a look at it. But let's look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. That way we can make some educated decisions about what might be to come today and beyond today throughout the week. All right, guys, so looking at the S&P 500, if you follow along with the channel, you know that we've been talking about we could potentially see some more downside from the S&P 500 before making our way back towards the upside and retesting those all-time highs, and we're getting it here, right? You never know exactly when it's going to come. A lot of things determine that factor. So all it takes is one negative news article to potentially spook investors and things of that nature. So we're looking here at the S&P, and you see that we had a sell-off, we bounced up, and then we continuously started coming back down again. And good thing is, and I'll show you this here, then I'll show you UVXY, which goes opposite of the S&P 500, opposite of the markets, that I think that this is kind of a good sign or pattern for us potentially to make a good move to the upside. So we went undervalued, we popped our head back up, we're falling back down again. We're going to be close to undervalued, which usually will get some people to come in and start buying it back up and moving it back towards the upside. So this SMA line, this is a key support level that we're looking at here. If we can stay above this SMA line, if we can bounce off of it and move forward, if we break below it, then it's worth keeping a close eye on at this support level here of 43.24 in the S&P 500 to see if we can maintain and stay above that support level. If not, if we bust below here, then we're going to see a lot more downside, potentially. So, but I do think temporarily short term that we're going to make a move back higher to the upside. I'm not sure if it'll be, start this week or next week, if we'll just hover around this area here, but I do feel fairly confident that when we hit undervalue again, which I think we will today when the market opens, that eventually we'll pop back out and we'll start making our way back up towards the upside. Maybe after Jerome Powell speaks, maybe he'll come and say something that's not going to freak people out as much, and people will positively react to it. So UVXY, guys, if you're looking to get in there, you are a little too late, in my opinion, to the party for this little swing, because it's already rose up so much and it's in overvalued status. I would wait for it to pull back before trying to get back in and riding that wave. So if you'd have got in maybe Friday and you'd have bought some, then it'll have been looking good for you today to go ahead and sell and take profits. But you see, we're overvalued here. We may go a little bit higher, but typically when we get overvalued here, we go undervalued in the S&P, and then the tides change, right? So this continues to start selling off. S&P starts to recover. As you can see, this ETF constantly just decays over time. So I'm not saying that we're not going to see any more downside, but I think potentially that short term we should recover off of this over the next couple of days. It just depends again on, I think, how the meeting with the Fed goes and Jerome Powell and what he comes out and says. And If he comes out and talks about we're going to have more inflation, obviously that's going to affect the markets in a negative way. But if he comes out and it's not anything that'll affect us too much, it should recover fairly well. I think sometime this week. I'm not exactly sure when he's talking, so you can maybe just Google that and see what comes out. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to provide that update for you. I saw that the market was selling off. Later last night, I saw the futures were pretty bad, and then looking this morning, it looks like that we're gonna have a red Monday for sure. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little update. I hope you have a great day, great week, and we'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.